I have the hiccups. Am I your first guest with the hiccups?
Uh-huh.
I have not had the hiccups in years. This is kind of exciting.
I should scare you. That's how you get rid of them. Or you can drink upside down. Drink upside down.
It'll... What?
Yeah, drink upside down and it'll get rid of your hiccups.
What are you talking?
Or hold your breath and hold your nose.
What is drinking upside down? Like lay on the ground and drink?
No, just lean over, like tilt over
This
and
is
drink
not upside down. Upside down would be if I turn the cup up like this.
No, you have to lean your body upside down.
Like I have to stand up?
Yeah. So stand up and lean your body. This outfit's amazing. Show your pant legs. There, drink upside down. And you'll get rid of the hiccups. Rah, rah, rah.
Out, damn spot.
Are they out?
I think I might be healed.
I told you.
I feel healed.
I am a witch.
Dr. Mantle.